Hey, welcome back to Chef Puff's Kitchen. All right, today what we're going to be doing, a marinade for the steak kebabs, okay? And I already mixed it up here. All right, I'm going to give you a closer view right now. Okay, let's get the camera rolling down. Okay, well, let me give you what I used in the ingredients to make this. All the information will be in the description of the video. All the measurements and the quantity that you need to make this marinade. It's very simple. Okay, what I used Worcestershire sauce. I used olive oil. I used lemon juice. I used black pepper. I used sriracha. What else did I use? Dried basil and garlic. All right, it's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Yes, 7 items. But here it is here. Just keep on giving it a nice good mix. Taste it along the way. But I feel like it needs something else. I'm going to add a little bit more sriracha because I do like the spiciness. All right. And it's going to leave a little bit of salt. That's enough heat there. So I'm getting some salt here. A couple of pinches. Just taste along the way. Oh, yes. That is delicious. No, that's it. This is delicious. All right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to set this to the side. All right. I'm going to get my area cleaned up. And we're going to start cubing these steaks. I have a couple of steaks I have to cube. All right. I'll let you know what I'm using, okay, what kind of steaks I'm using. So y'all guys stay tuned because I'll be back. Don't go nowhere. All right. Let me give you an idea what kind of steaks that I'm using. It's going to be quite a few of them. I'm using, what is this here? A boneless beef top round steak. Another top round steak. I'm also using, what is this here? Tenderloin steaks. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's what I had on hand. So this is what I'm preparing here. All right, it's time to get rid of these because my stock, these have to be turned around in my refrigerator. So, without further ado, let's get these babies cut open and cubed up. All right. One. This one is 2. Got 1, 2 more here. Go. One more small one. Right. Here we go. All right. So let me get rid of this here. All right. Give me 1 second. Get rid of these packages. All right. All right. So basically, with this meat here, I'm going to cut them into cubes. You know, not decent cubes. See, something like this. If you can see this, something like a cube like this. This will make very nice. All right. Just like that. Oh, these are cutting real nice. I'm going to get rid of some of this fat off of this one. Just a little bit. Very nice. cut into the cubes. Now, like I said, I'm gonna marinate these overnight. All right. That marinade is very delicious. All right. All right, so you know what? I'm going to finish up trimming and cutting these steaks up. And y'all guys, don't go nowhere, because I'll be right back. All right, I finished cutting all the steak up into cubes. And these are the size cubes right here. Right here, so got plenty to make a lot of kebabs here. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this another nice good mix. Then I'm going to pour this marinade and mix it up real good. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. That out of the way. Best way to do it, hands on. I can taste this already. Just give it a nice good mix. Well, like I said, all the ingredients will be in the description of the video. All right. But if y'all would like to learn how to make a quick and easy roast beef, check out my video on roast beef. It's so good and so simple to make. Only with a couple ingredients. This channel is designed to make cooking easy. Not hard, not difficult, not to frighten you away, but to get more people in the kitchen to make to eat good food instead of fast food. Just takes a little time, but it's well worth it, and you'll definitely enjoy it. Yeah, you can go out and buy all the fast food restaurants because you don't know what's in it. You don't know where your food has been. All right, so what I'm gonna do with this here now, I'm gonna cover it. Keep it submerged, all the meat submerged, just like that. And I'm gonna let this refrigerate overnight, okay? And I will see y'all guys tomorrow. That when we're gonna start making these kebabs, these steak kebabs, because they're gonna be really, really good. And we're gonna be done on open flame, okay? So I'll see y'all guys tomorrow, and stay tuned because I'll be back. All right, welcome back, everybody. All right. It's time to make these shish kebabs here, these steak kebabs. All right, they've been in the refrigerator over 24 hours. And I know some people are going to say, well, you're supposed to soak your skewers. I'm not soaking these. I have an idea, all right? And it's going to work. All right, simple as day. Like I said, I'm not soaking them in water or nothing like that. So I am not doing no vegetables. I'm just doing beef kebabs. All right, so it has enough oil, and I will show you in a minute what it looks like. Oh, and this meat is so tender. It is so, so tender. All right, I am going to go with at least 5 per stirl, at least. All right, but I'll show you why I'm not going to put any soak the skewers, because you see how it's set up. All right, that's oil. So that oil is going to work for me. All right, so leave this here. There we go. All right, so I have my cat trying to jump over here, so I'm going to have to move a little bit more this way where she can't jump. All right. And then what I'm going to do with these, because I'm not ready to cook these yet, I'm going to freeze them. I'm going to freeze them. That's right. Then once they freeze, I'm going to take them out, and then I'm going to bag them. All right, until I'm ready to use them and put them back in the freezer. All right, so I'm going to finish up these shish kebab skews, these actually steak kebabs. And y'all guys, I'll be back. Don't go nowhere. All right, all the steak kebabs are done. This is going to be, it smells so delicious here. What I'm going to do with these now, I already think that I am going to put them into the freezer and let them freeze up. Now, I can have, it yield 20 steak kebabs. So that's plenty, all right, for what I need them for. And when I'm ready to use them, I pull out a couple, throw them on the grill, and cook them up, all right? So, without further ado, I'm going to say, like this video, give me thumbs up, subscribe, tell your families about Cooking with Chef Puff, and I definitely will see you on the next video. Bye!